Are the best landing gears for your DJI Air 3 on the must-have list? Look nowhere else. Two of the best landing gears now on the market have been reviewed by us.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have DPFHL Spider landing gear. When looking for the best landing gear for your DJI Air 3, the DPFHL Spider is a strong option. It is especially made to provide maximum stability and toughness, making sure that your drone is kept safe during landings. Effectively add 36 millimeters to height, increase the gap between the drone and the ground considerably. Additionally, while landing and taking off, maintain the drone and sensor clean and safe. The DPFHL Spider landing gear's adjustable height adjustments are one of its most notable characteristics. This makes it simple for you to customize the equipment to your unique requirements and flying environment. This landing gear will meet all of your needs, whether you need a larger clearance for rocky terrain or a lower profile for softer landings. The DPFHL Spider landing gear is built of high-quality materials and has changeable height settings. This guarantees that it will be able to endure repeated takeoffs and landings without breaking down. The robust design helps shield your drone's delicate parts from damage brought on by collisions and bumps. On number 2, we have BTG Landing Gear. Look no further than the BTG Landing Gear if you're looking for an alternate set of landing gear for your DJI Air 3. This landing gear is intended to protect your drone during landings and provide dependable stability. The BTG Landing Gear's simplicity of installation is one of its best qualities. You can quickly attach this landing gear to your DJI Air 3 with a quick and easy installation technique. As a result, you'll spend less time setting up and more time enjoying your drone flight. Quick release, all-in-one design, cool Spider landing gear, make your Air 3 cool and attractive. Plastic, lightweight, and no additional burden on drone, effectively heightened by 36 millimeters, creates a greater distance between drone and ground and keeps drone and sensor safe and clean while landing and taking off. High-quality components that guarantee lifespan and durability are used to create the BTG landing gear. This landing gear is dependable for each DJI Air 3 user because it is made to resist the challenges of numerous flying and landings. Furthermore, the robust design helps shield your drone's delicate parts from harm, preserving its longevity. Performance-wise, your DJI Air 3 is supported by a stable and secure base thanks to the BTG landing gear. This stability translates into more controlled takeoffs and landings, which lowers the possibility of errors or accidents. Knowing that your drone is safe and secure during each landing allows you to rest easy, so these are some of the best landing gears to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.